In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can retrieve deleted text messages on an iPhone 16. Before you do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, the fastest and easiest method is to open up the Messages app and tap the three lines up in the top right. And then from here, go ahead and select Recently Deleted, and you're going to be able to see all of the messages that were deleted in the last 30 days. Select whatever messages there are that you want to restore, hit Recover down in the bottom left, and it'll restore them. Now, if it's been over 30 days, you're not going to see the messages in here. For this process, what you're going to want to do is back out and go into your settings, and then from here, tap your name up at the very top, scroll down, select iCloud, and then hit Save to iCloud, and make sure that Messages is turned on. It's going to be a setting that says Turn on Use on this iPhone. As long as this is good, that means all of your messages are going to be backed up to iCloud going forward, which essentially means what you're going to have to do, because Apple does not let you browse text messages directly here on iCloud.com, you're going to have to essentially just restore your messages to either a secondary Apple device or restoring from an iCloud backup. If you do have messages in iCloud enabled before deletion, you're going to want to, on another Apple device, sign into your iCloud account, and inside you'll be able to back up that device with these messages by erasing that device and restoring them from an iCloud backup. It really is as simple as that. That is how you can go ahead and retrieve deleted text messages here on an iPhone 16. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.